Welcome to all. I am going to discuss a retail marketing strategy. Retail marketing strategy. Every organization they are having some strategy in their mind to attract customers as well as to compete the competitor. Same way, retail marketing they also do some kind of a strategic activity to attract their customers as well as to attack their competitors. Here, the retail marketing strategy they have coded. Let us see what is a retail marketing strategy. A retailer need to decide as to what it is want to achieve for a customer. It has to decide the target market and then select the appropriate combination of 4 P's. This is about a retail marketing strategy. A retailer need to decide what are the things the customer wants from the retailer. It has to decide who is the target market for the organization. By using the 4 P's, they have to attract the customers. Now let us see what are the strategy the company they follow to attract customers. These are the things the companies to do to attract the customers. First one, positioning. Every organization they have to do some kind of a positioning in the mind of a customers. It is very important thing because the positioning get good image about the company. Positioning. First one, novelty offered in the process to the shopper. It means that when you deliver some services to the customers, you have to adopt some process. That one create some unique feature about your company. That way, every retail unit expected to have some process, uniform process they have to follow. That process create some kind of image in the mind of a customers. Example, McDonald they offer service within a time. That is a one kind of service process they follow to attract their customers. Next one, novelty in product assortment offered to the shoppers. Even in the product you have to create some kind of a unique thing. That unique thing make the customers to buy your product. This is how you can create positioning for your retail product. Next one, it is about a store location, product assortment and service. Next one, it is about a price, promotion, store atmosphere. Let us see the things one by one. Store location. Retail location, it is expected to be near to the customer place. It make some convenience to the customer to buy product from there. So it is expected that the customer they need the product in the nearer place. So all retail unit they have to create their shop or locate their shop near to the customer location. Next one, product assortment and the service. A product you have to give a lot of a variety to the customers because every retail unit they are providing plenty of a product. To match up with the competitor, you have to offer more number of a product to the customer. Then only the customer will buy your product. On that basis, it is expected that you have to have more number of a variety in your product category. Next one, price. Price, it is about it is a vital thing. It make the customer to buy product from your shop. Here I have coded the pricing strategy: high or low price, promotion or everyday low pricing. On the basis of the requirement, you have to fix the price. Sometimes it is about the company going to the skimming pricing and the penetration pricing. It means that when a product is new to the market, they fix a low price and they enter into the market and attract more number of customers. If the product known to everyone, that time the company go into the skimming price. That way your retail unit also decide what kind of strategy good to the company. Next one, it is about a promotion. To promote your product, some kind of activities you have to carry, such as advertising, store display, events, public relation, sales promotion. In each and every activity you have to create some uniform future to attract your customers. This is about a promotional activity. For this we can see some number of advertisement that highlight the features of a retail unit. Example, big bazaar, store display. Whenever you go into the big shopping mall, you could see the assortment arrangement. It make you to buy the product. Last thing, it is about a store atmosphere. That is very very important thing. You have to create a store in such a way that make the customer to sit and buy some kind of item there. This is how you have to create a retail marketing strategy for your retail outlet. Example, big bazaar or Reliance, even Vishaldi Mall, they are adopting some kind of a strategy to attract their customers with a combination of all technique they are doing to make the customer to buy product in that particular retail outlet. Thank you.